I bought this wig and it was perfect, lovely. Her name was Shaniqua, and she was a sister, a traveling body. She was everything to me. And now she is dead. What am I going to do? Am I going to let it go? Or am I going to save it? Throw it away or save it? This is the dilemma. This was the wig when it was dead. And this is the wig now that I brought back to life. If you want to know how I did it, keep watching and subscribe.
Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me.
Hi guys, it's your girl Miss Kesi, back with another video of Beauty on the Beat. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring back to life your old wigs, your rusty and crusty wigs. You know your first wigs, Taniqua and Shaniqua? Girl, we are bringing them back to life today. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, press the notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos. Let's get into the video now. I think that these people, they actually cheated and they gave me a synthetic, like half synthetic and half human hair wig. This was like the first wig ever that I've ever bought, and I remember that after 1 month this wig was already tangling and it was terrible. So I'm going to try to bring back to life my two old wigs, my curly one, Taniqua on the right and Shaniqua on the left side. What you want to do as a first step, you want to add some water or spray something on the hair so you can try to untangle as much as you can, so it's going to be easier after. When you see that the water is boiling, what you want to do is get the silicone mix that is magic. This is going to create a layer on your hair. Sure, exactly the science behind this product. Do this at night because you don't want your mom or your dad to see you. If not, you're in trouble. So use a old pot or a pot that, if you want to use a pot that you use, make sure to clean it properly after. In your kitchen, clean it properly because you don't want to leave any hair on the kitchen where you're going to eat. So clean it properly, okay? And don't let your mom see it because she's gonna kill you, girl. Wait till the water is completely white. Put slowly each wig in the pot. If you want, you can add some oil or your favorite conditioner, but this is not required. You can do it if you want. Then place the wigs in there. Make sure that the lace is at the top of the pot. So I've boiled my wigs for 10 to 15 minutes. So you can do the same, or you can boil them for less if you're scared. When you're done, place the wigs in a bowl and you want to go ahead and wash them with shampoo and conditioner. I'm showing you how I wash the glue of this lace, and do the same with the other wig. What you want to do is let the wigs dry, and when they're dry, you will see what has happened. You will see the magic. Shaniqua is back. She's back. You are mad. Big mad. She's back, baby. After boiling the hair, you can feel so much difference, guys. Oh my god. So boiling the wig works? Yes. So I'm just going to style it and you will see how this looks. Girl, you're not ready. The only thing is that she's a bit bold right there, but you know, anytime before I brush the wig, I like to use this. Remember to use this, girl. You don't want to lose more hair. Shaniqua, you are back, baby. We've been doing so many things together. The things that we will be doing together holidays that we will be doing together. You're not ready. My brush. You usually say not to brush your wig when it's curly, but you know what? I don't care. I need to brush it. I need to enjoy this moment. So let's shake a little bit of this. Shake it. This is broken. I hope that's coming. Can you work? I need it. Oh. This is not a good idea, but there's nothing I can do. I need to. This hair keep losing so much hair for no reason. Why though? Maybe because I shouldn't brush you, but you shouldn't lose hair anyway.
The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine.
No, can you see this? Like, can you see this? Can you see this? Because I don't know what is going on, but the hair is fully back. Damn, girl, you are sexy.
Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow.
So guys, this is Shaniqua. The wig is not as, but it's better than before, and that's what I love to see. That is better than before. You can see how the wig is moving, and I'm enjoying this. I like it. I don't think I'm going to wear this wig to go out. I can maybe use this wig when I'm going to the gym. I can just tie the wig at the back and do my exercises at the gym. So that's why I'm going to use it, because
said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything.
So what I've done after I flat ironed the hair, I've trimmed the end because they were not equal, and girl, this hair is shake the room, shake the room. It's moving and dancing. I love to see this. If you want me to show you other methods like synthetic hair and other styles, write it down in the comments so I can do a video about it. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I love you guys. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. If not, you're going to miss all my videos, and you don't want that at all.